Hello, sweet girl. Guys, so I literally look awful. Like, I probably haven't slept in days. Yeah. So if you're wondering why I look like trash, that's why. But my sister had her baby, so we are going to go see him. I'm going to introduce you guys to him. He's literally the cutest thing ever. I call him Mr. Sweetface. He's so cute, and we're going to go see him. So look how cute he is. Okay guys, so I'm going to talk about some of the stuff I got. So I got some of these silk dairy-free yogurt alternatives. I just got a vanilla one, and then I got a peach mango one, and then I also got a strawberry one. So these are just so good to make like little parfaits. They're dairy-free and I love those. And then I got this, which is the Yogi Blackberry Apple Cider Digestive Awakening Tea. So this helps with your digestive and everything, so I'm really excited to try that. You guys know I have my everyday detox tea in there, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then over here are just the Vans Blueberry Waffles. I had to get more of these because they were on sale, and these are the best, like, breakfast. I'm usually not a breakfast gal, so this is just super good for me to have, and it's really delicious. And then I got an avocado to put on avocado toast, and then I also had to get more red pepper, so I got this big red pepper shaker to put on my avocado toast, and also a tomato and cucumber little salad that I'm gonna make. And then I have the Morningstar just original chicken nuggets. These are so good for wraps. Honestly, I have them throughout the week all the time. They're amazing. And then I got these Vans gluten-free PB&J little bars. And these are gonna be so good to just have as a snack, even if I'm going to the pool or the beach or something, just to throw these in my bag. I feel like are super, super good, and I really like the Vans brand. And then I got this gluten-free 2 pizza crust, so I can make a veggie pizza kind of similar to this. And I will show you guys in a what I eat in a day soon, how I incorporate all this into my daily life and the food and everything. And then I got this, which I've actually tried something similar, but never this. This is the Khalifa Farms Mocha Cold Brew Coffee with almond milk. It's dairy-free, and there's 25% less sugar. So I'm gonna try this out. It's cold brew, so hopefully I like this and I can incorporate, like I said, into like my daily routine. I'm not really a coffee drinker right now, but I definitely want to try this out and give this a go. And then you guys know shredded lettuce is my favorite. I just throw this in a wrap and it's really delicious. So this is some of the stuff that I decided to just pick up that I needed like refills on, or things I just needed to add into my little like grocery assortment right now. I know. Okay guys, it is 12:06. I can break my fast, so I'm going to have some cold brew. This is the Khalifa Farms 25% less sugar mocha cold brew with almond milk. It's dairy free. I love this. This is so good. If you guys need like a good coffee substitute, this is really good. It's only 90 calories and it's very, 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 very good. So I highly recommend this cold brew. It's really good. Yes, guys, this is seriously like the best. Oh my god, I love this. It's so amazing. Okay guys, so I just want to talk about these yogurts really quick. This is the Silk and the So Delicious dairy-free yogurts. This one is really good. It's just vanilla. And then this one is a coconut milk yogurt alternative. This one is like my favorites, but I did just pick up this one because it was at the grocery store I was at, and then I did pick up this one, which is like my ultimate just favorite. It's amazing. is one of my favorite breakfasts to have. I love cinnamon. As you can see, I have like a ton. My cold brew is from Khalifa Farms. My little yogurt parfait is like, oh, it just looks so good. So, okay, so I'm gonna have this salad for lunch. It's literally just like salad, carrots, red onion, ham, turkey. And then I'm gonna add some red pepper onto the salad because I don't know, I just love spicy. And then for like dressing, I'm just gonna have some red wine vinegar, and yeah. So I'm about to clean my house right now. I have some Mario Badescu on my face, little low bun, have my speaker to listen to music while I clean, and we're just gonna get going and cleaning. So I just did some cleaning of my house a little. I still have to put some like dishes away and stuff, but ooh, focus. I'm gonna do a house tour really soon. I just am not finished with anything, like, to be honest. The only thing that's like super done is just like the outside with the seats and everything. I'm obsessed with that. And then like even my living room is a mess. There's like clothes over here and stuff because nothing's finished, and like nothing's staying the same in here other than like the couches, and there's like some laundry here. But yeah, like even with my bathroom, stuff is definitely changing. So yeah. So I just basically cleaned up a little bit. You guys can see my bathroom looks like so far. That counter needs to be cleaned, to be honest. My skincare needs to be cleaned, but everything else is clean. New mats, shower curtain. Yeah, I'm so excited. And then we're gonna walk into my little disaster I have in here, which I like to call my room. My room is a disaster, guys. So okay guys, so I'm just obsessed with this. This is just the Yoji little tea, and look how cute it is on the other side. Hold on. Has a cute little message, and it says lift people up to their potential and higher self. This is just a blackberry apple cider vinegar tea, and yeah, I love this so much, and it smells a lot like apple cider vinegar, so I'm just gonna like chug this down. It's just tea and it's warm, and I'm obsessed with it. And I keep my teas in here, and yeah, I'm like obsessed with my 2 teas that I've been using right now, so that is what I'm going to have right now. Okay guys, so I'm about to make like a little, ooh, there's a crumb. I'm about to make like a little, not lunch because I had salad, but like a little snack because before dinner I just get like really hungry, and I've only ate the yogurt and then that little like salad. So I'm a little hungry right now for like a little before dinner snack type of deal. I'm just gonna make a cucumber salad. So I'm going to use cherry tomatoes, a cucumber, pepper, salt, red pepper, which is my favorite in this, and then some red wine vinegar and olive oil. I usually like to use champagne vinaigrette, but I'm just going to use this, and I'll show you guys me making it right now. Gonna add a little bit of pepper. I love pepper, so. And I wish I had pink Himalayan salt, but I don't right now, so I'm just gonna add like a little bit of salt and then the rest of the ingredients, and I'll be right back. Here is the final product. I've been really obsessed with food combining, and these just go so well together, so yes, love this. And I'll probably have like the recipe linked down below. You guys can just like go back and see what it is, but it's so good. To let it go. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and I just made my avocado toast. This is Ezekiel bread, so it's just like Ezekiel rice bread, I believe it's called, and it's the Food for Life bread. And then I'm having some cold brew from Khalifa Farms. This is my favorite. It's so good. It's the mocha cold brew. It's seriously so good. I wouldn't steer you guys wrong. And then I put some everything but the bagel seasoning and avocado and red pepper flakes, and this is just so good. I can't wait to dive into this. Guys, so here's my outfit. I'm just wearing like these cute little leggings and this top, and I'm going on a walk, and here's my outfit. You got to let it